Well, have you heard about the latest upgrades in deep research? They've rolled out advanced AI models that are now available for free. Yes, you heard that right. It's like finding a treasure chest full of gold in your attic. Now everyone can access these powerful tools, making research feel a bit like a walk in the park, but without the mosquitoes. And speaking of treasures, let's talk about the exciting new personalization features. You can now connect your Google search history, which means the Gemini app can give you a nudge in just the right direction. It's like having your own personal assistant who knows exactly what you were looking for last week, as long as you don't ask them about your lost key. Now, let me introduce you to Gemini Canvas. This delightful little interface makes document editing as easy as pie, or should I say, as easy as piecing together a puzzle. You can collaborate directly with AI, and it feels so intuitive, it might make you want to throw confetti like it's your birthday, especially if you're a fan of Google Docs. And guess what? You can change document parameters like length and formatting without those pesky repetitive commands. It's smoother than butter on a hot pancake. This means you can spend more time being creative rather than wrestling with your document. Talk about boosting productivity, like getting a second wind while playing bingo. But wait, there's more. With this nifty feature, you can flip from text documents to code artifacts faster than you can find your reading glasses. Whether you're just stepping into web development or you're a seasoned pro, this flexibility opens up doorways to new adventures. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your pocket.
Take a look at the interaktive Solarsystem Visualizer.
This little gem shows just how powerful the platform is. You can create complex applications with just a simple prompt. It's like magic, but you don't have to say abracadabra to make it work. If this doesn't spark your interest in app development, I don't know what will. Deep Research is here to cut down on the time you spend on manual research. Imagine being able to get detailed insights in a snap, especially in a fast-paced world where time waits for no one. It's like having a superhero sidekick that swoops in just when you need them, cape optional. Moving on to the new 2.0 thinking model. This upgrade has automated many processes, improving reasoning capabilities and making those extensive prompt modifications a thing of the past. It's like cleaning out your attic. You realize you don't need all that old junk to make space for fresh ideas. Oh, and let's not forget Gemini's long context windows. They play a vital role in processing and synthesizing a large amount of information in real time. It's like having a personal librarian who can juggle 10 books at once while sipping tea. Now that's impressive. You can even engage with the Gemini app on your mobile devices. Yes, that's right. You can get notifications when your reports are ready, which means you can multitask like a pro, whether you're in the kitchen or sitting on the porch enjoying your lemonade.
Talk about convenience.
Did I mention Deep Research uses inline citations? This means you can verify sources right at the paragraph and sentence levels. It enhances the trustworthiness of your output. It's like having a trusty sidekick that always has your back and whispers, "Trust me, I read the fine print." Now, here's a fun tidbit. The Gemini app offers audio overviews for content. You can consume research on the go, with your hands free, perfect for when you want to keep busy and still learn something new. It's like having a storyteller in your pocket, ready to entertain you whether you're walking or relaxing. With the personalization feature, Gemini remembers your preferences. This means every session feels more engaging and tailored, bridging the gap from basic interactions to meaningful conversations. It's like catching up with an old friend who knows exactly how you take your coffee, and they always have the perfect cup ready. You have control over personalization settings too. You can connect or disconnect from Google search history as you please. It's like being the captain of your own ship, steering your data where you want it to go, while still benefiting from personalized recommendations.
Ahoy, matey.
And here's a perk: the AI can sift through your search history to provide relevant suggestions, like vacation spots or the latest tunes to get your toes tapping. It's quite a show-off with its learning capabilities, enhancing your satisfaction with some curated content. It's like having an informative friend who knows just what you need. User feedback is crucial to perfecting the personalization model. Developers get to know what you find useful and where things could use a little polish. This ensures a smoother ride for everyone involved, like making sure your chair is stable before taking a seat. Now, developing those effective personalization models?
That's a tall order.
Only users truly understand their own preferences. It's like trying to guess someone's favorite ice cream flavor. Without data gathering, you might just end up offering them pickles.
Lastly, let's talk transparency.
It's vital for users to see how their data influences responses. This builds trust and allows you to control your settings effectively. After all, who wouldn't want to keep an eye on their cookie jar and know what's being sprinkled in there?